Hello everyone, let me show you today how to scale a PDF file or a raster image file in Revit. The process is very simple and easy. Sometimes it's complicated. I was also stuck in between scaling a file, either it's PDF or it's image. So first of all, you would have to come to new, then select any template. In this case I will select architecture template and press OK. So when the file is when the Revit environment is opened, then the first step that you would have to do is go to you would have to go to insert, select either PDF or image file. The process for both is same. So in this case I will go with image file. Pick your file where it is stored and it will be opened here. Now as you see, the actual length that when I am scaling the project, first I have to see what is the actual length and what it is the Revit is telling me. So the Revit is telling me that it is 47 and its actual length is 38. So I would have to scale it. For scaling, you have to go to modify and press on this tool, which shortcut is RE, or you can just simply press it. Now first select the image or your PDF file and press enter. Now this kind of the cursor will be changed to this. Pick its start point, just click on the start point and also click on its end point. When you click on its end point, then you would have to drag the mouse towards your left because we are scaling it. So you have to drag the mouse inside the perimeter of your image and press 38 and press enter. So now your image is scaled. How would you check that it is scaled or not? You will again click on dimension and check. So if you check it accurately, it is 38 feet. So our image is scaled, or PDF file, you can use it for both. So it is scaled. Now subscribe this channel. I will be posting lot of videos regarding BIM and specifically Revit. So you'll enjoy the content and keep sharing with your friends. Thank you so much.